let's take last few minutes to go through our special, and there are like 2-3 specials that were really connected with what we were talking about. But let me just do the one of the simplest one first. You know how when you are, people say, okay, calm down, take a deep breath. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I have developed a little reverse breathing technique. Would you like to learn?
Of course.
Yeah. So when I'm trying to teach them to breathe deep abdominal breathing, sometimes they start breathing. Well, that makes it even worse, and they don't feel calm when they're breathing like this. So next time when you're feeling worked up, try the reverse breathing. So instead of inhaling, try to exhale. As you exhale, you'll see that your tummy would get sucked in, and there would be space in your lungs that would be created by exhaling first and then breathe in. Now you can kind of have the full breath full of oxygen and fresh air, and hold it for a few seconds, so that gives time for the carbon dioxide from the blood to be exchanged with the oxygen from the fresh air, and then breathe out. And as you're breathing out, see your stomach sucked in again, and breathe in again. One other thing that you can do is kind of move your arms, open your arms. So when you're breathing, open your arms, and then hold it, breathe out. And if you do 3 of those breathing, you'll see that your body would start kind of feeling loose, and the tension in the shoulder would go down. So anytime you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed, try to do this reverse breathing technique. Breathe out first, suck the stomach in, hold it, breathe in, hold it, breathe out, and do 3 of those deep breathing, and you'll see the difference. Do you feel any difference?
Oh, from the very first breath I took in, all down my spine, the carbon dioxide, the gas was just crack down my spine immediately. when I love holding in the breath and then just holding it for a few seconds and everything. Yeah.
So all your muscles are kind of relaxing, but when you're doing that inside your lungs, this exchange is happening. Carbon dioxide is getting out from your blood, and then oxygen is getting in your blood through your lungs. So try it and relax. And life is presenting a lot of challenges, and it would continue to present the challenge. And every day is an opportunity. Every day you have a choice to either feel frustrated and get upset and lose all your energy and resources on feeling frustrated about where you are, or accepting where you are and identifying what you can do to go where you want to go. And so it is your choice. Like they say, when you are given lemons, make lemonade.
Oh,
so
I love that saying. Make lemonades. And also, it's like, when you say day, it's 1000% day. But even to break it up, we have 24 hours in a day. So each hour, we're going to have different impulses and emotions, ocean waves coming and going. So we have multiple times per day, per hour. If we check in with ourselves per hour to hack in within self, we can show up to the yoga mat, show up to life, show up to make a new choice for ourselves first. I love
every
this.
moment, every breath is the gift, is an opportunity to make a difference for yourself and others. So I leave you with the question, what do you choose today? On that note, stay safe and happy and healthy. Until next time.
Thank you for having me.